NVR Creations. Keep watching and subscribe. Department of Science and Technology, SSPV ZPHS Patola. For class 9th Biological Sciences, Cell Organelles. Topic: Mitochondria structure. Children, you know, cell is the basic unit of life. Based on the number of cells present in organisms, they are divided into two types. One, unicellular, single celled; multicellular, many celled. Again, based on development of nucleus, there are two types. Prokaryote means with indistinct nuclear membrane. Eukaryote with clear nuclear membrane. So let us see history of the cell. You know, cell was discovered by a scientist named Robert Hooke. Cell means little room. After the invention of the microscope, many facts were known to us. Let us study in detail about cell. Study of cell is called cytology. Cyto means cell. Remember, the word cyto related to cell. Let us see cell organelles. A typical cell consisting of the following organelles: mitochondria, plastids, only in plants; ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles. All the above said organelles perform vital functions and help in our day-to-day life. So let us study about mitochondrium. Mitochondrium, singular word. Mitochondria are very small, microscopic. See the picture. So the size of the mitochondria is 2 to 8 microns long and 0.5 micron width, and about 150 times smaller than nucleus. And regarding the distribution of mitochondria, there are about 100 to 150 mitochondria in each cell. More about mitochondria. Mitochondria are made up of a double layered membrane. The inner wall protrudes into finger-like projections called cristae. The space between cristae is known as matrix. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration. And more special about mitochondria. As mitochondria stores energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. That is why mitochondria are known as powerhouse of the cell. ATP is currency of the cell. A scientist named Albert von Kolliker, mitochondria often referred as powerhouses of the cell, and were first discovered in 1857 by a physiologist named Albert von Kolliker. Later, the name was coined as bioplast, means life germs, by Richard Altman in 1886. The cell organelles were renamed as mitochondria by Carl Benda 12 years later. So this is something more special about mitochondria. Thank you, children, one and all. Keep watching and go online, read offline. Thank you, one and all.